And for us, Delta 2154 is at a 12,600 descending 11,850 Juliet.
Delta 2154, approach right, proceed to rate turtles, set to maintain 6,000, expect the Alice approach, runway 11.
Roger that, directly to Turtle, descend and maintain 6,000 feet, expecting the ILS to 11, Delta 2154.
Delta 2154, traffic into 1 to 2 o'clock and 8 miles westbound of Cessna VFR at 4,500 feet. Once you get clear here, I have a little for you.
For the traffic, we have the feeling same whenever that helps as well. Delta 2154.
Delta 2154, copy that. Delta 2154, the Cessna traffic no factor. Clear the visual approach, runway 11.
Only 11, Delta 2154.
Delta 2154, speed 180 or greater to a 5 mile final, connect to tower for 19.5.
19.5 on tower, speed 180 greater, Delta, correction, but off the tower, Delta 2154. Tower, Delta 2154 is on the visual approach, only 11.
Delta 2154 on tower, runway 11, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 11, Delta 2154.
Delta 2154, turn left Gulf 8, you can step me to ramp once you get.
Right, Gulf 8 with you through the ramp over Park Charlie 89.
Right there.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to New Orleans, where the local time is 11:42. Please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. You may use your handheld electronic devices at this time. Our airlift must be still parked at the gate. Before you leave the aircraft, don't forget to check for any personal belongings you might have brought on board. On behalf of Delta and your entire Detroit-based crew, we thank you for flying with us. We appreciate your business and we look forward to serving you again soon. Thank you and good night. Have a great weekend.